Today we are going to talk about a potential new business. Oh, I thought that was going to turn the lights on. There we go.
That's upset.
How are you?
Good, thank you.
Good. We seem to have got
Another one.
another one.
Just for the day.
We'll explain. Come on, go in. We've also got Laura's first drive coming soon in this. Tomorrow. Hello everyone and welcome back to...
Of course with the Robinsons.
How are you?
Good, thank you.
Good.
Had a good, productive day.
I haven't, I'm terrible. James had one too many beers last night and I've not had a very productive day. You can probably tell by how I'm...
Moody you are.
Yeah, a little bit moody. But today we're going to talk about... First of all, we're going to talk about... Yeah, we've acquired her again, which has been brilliant, hasn't it?
Yeah.
They do get on really, really well. But we're also going to talk about what could potentially end up being another little kind of business for us, another little revenue stream in a podcast. So for me, one thing I love about YouTube and about having an audience such as you guys, and thank you all for being there, is you get the opportunity to set up little businesses, little side hustles, little revenue streams, like I said.
Side hustles.
Yeah. Such as the merchandise and stuff which you've been on with, haven't you?
Yeah, done that today.
So that's coming.
A few little bits.
And I guess really the golden rule is you've got to make sure that you're bringing value to people. So I think we've got to make sure that we are providing something that people want to listen to. It will probably go on this channel and then Spotify, iMusic, Apple Music, iTunes, that's the one, iTunes, and wherever you kind of get your podcast. But we wanted to talk to you a little bit about, I'm not gonna lie, we filmed this video once already and Numbnuts deleted all the footage.
And he wasn't hungover then.
And I wasn't hungover then, so I had absolutely no excuse at all. But so, what kind of stuff do you listen to?
Well, first of all, do people want to see a podcast?
Well, you won't see it, would you? You'd hear it.
But you film it on YouTube, don't you? Do people want to... Well, first of all, you'd have to give us some topics to talk about.
See, this is where, do we have it as a topical podcast anyway?
I think you get people, like every week would need to be a different topic. So like, let's say we did it every Sunday and we released a new one every Sunday.
Yeah.
There should be a different topic to talk about.
Yeah.
In life.
Yeah.
Isn't there?
I think so. And so, like, when we filmed this video before, like I said, we spoke about kind of things that, get the dog out of the road, things that we like to listen to. And for me, I love listening to, at the moment, automotive stuff, so car stuff, so things like Seen Through Glass, Behind the Glass, which is a YouTube channel and a podcast.
Yeah.
I also really like listening to Jack Mate's Happy Hour because that's absolutely,
I listen to that all the time.
yeah, it's hilarious, really funny. You get some really good, move on this side, you get some really good guests on there. And that's another thing, obviously, when the world opens up, we might be able to get guests on as well, which will be fantastic.
Yeah.
We had Ben Foster on the other day, and if you've not seen it or listened to it, it was absolutely brilliant. So that's the kind of stuff I like listening to. And for me, like, I wonder if this whole podcast thing is going to be kind of the future, really. I don't know if it's going to overtake.
It's come from nowhere, really.
Yeah, and I think the beauty of it is, like, I generally listen to them in the car or when I'm getting ready or when I'm getting in the shower or something like that, and it kind of it's...
This is what I mean. The other day you said we had the UK Top 40 on, didn't we, on the TV?
Yeah.
And you were like, is it me or do I just not know any of these songs?
No.
And it's because all you do is listen to podcasts instead of the radio or,
Yeah.
you know, playlists.
Pretty much. And then, yeah, like I said, it just makes people... No,
I wonder how much you get paid per episode.
it won't be a lot. It'll be like a YouTube thing, won't it? It'll be
Oh.
pence per view, or not even that, millipence per view, if that's even a thing. But yeah, I think with people now working from home and stuff, our podcast's going to take off like I thought they would, because generally people haven't got that long commute anymore. But what stuff you listen to some right nonsense, don't you? What do you
Yeah,
have?
like when I'm getting ready, or I listen to the Scott Brothers.
Yeah. Who are they?
Scott Brothers are like reality TV stars, but they were on like soaps like Emmerdale and Coronation Street,
Okay.
Love Island.
Yeah.
But it's just nice because they're brothers and they have that like family link, which I think is what people like to watch on our channel, don't they? Because it's everyday life, so I think that's probably why I enjoy. But every week they do a different topic, and they, let's say the topic's, I don't know, business or whatever. They all write questions for each other, and then they all go in a bowl and they pick one out, and then so that it's not like it's an off-the-cuff reaction rather than a planned answer. Or
which I quite like the sound of. Like a lot of my videos are like that. I don't script. Yeah, I don't script any of my videos. A lot of people don't believe that, but I just literally blag it from start to finish. And for me, that works better for my creative mind.
Bullet points, don't you?
Sometimes not even that. If it's a product review where I need to get the information right because you guys are wanting to know, then I will bullet point stuff and go around it. And if it's a word that I can't pronounce, then I'll obviously write it out and make sure I know how to pronounce it as well, because a lot of them are quite big. But
and I also listen to Sorted with the Dyers, with Danny Dyer and Danny Dyer. But they just do like, everybody writes in with the problems. Yeah. But because they're quite funny problems, or like, well, I suppose it's not funny, but they make it into like a light-hearted thing, which is what makes it funny.
Right, very good. These two are absolutely living for it. Pardon?
I was going to say, but then you went into the tunnel. I have to look down in here.
I don't, I can just walk straight forward like this. Look, I actually can't, like I don't have to. This way.
You want to?
Yeah, because I ain't got the energy for it today, Laura. Not gonna lie to you. Are you looking forward to driving the new car?
Yeah.
I'd like to also, I know this isn't podcast related, but I'd like to thank everyone for the support for that. Like, I expected a bit of negativity from it, but we are trying to build a little bit of a business around it, making content with it, and I really, really, really love it. We've had it a week now, haven't we?
Yeah, and you've already been caught in McDonald's. Yeah,
someone tagged me a picture of, I'm hungover, so I took it to the drive-through to McDonald's, and someone tagged me on Twitter, so thank you ever so much for that. But yeah, I did tell you I was going. Sometimes I don't tell Laura I'm going, but I did actually. I picked up some chicken nuggets.
Someone like knows you for the reg plate.
That's exactly why we've done it. Like, there are a few people out there who say, why have you done that? Why have you done that? Because it gets people talking, and that's what the social media business and world is all about.
Why not?
Why not? Exactly. So sorry, what were you saying about?
Do you think you've got the time for a podcast? Because it's quite.
I think.
Work, isn't it? I suppose.
Yeah.
Doing what you do.
I think I probably have. I just make time for stuff, don't I? I mean, I'm running a daily channel on one.
Yeah.
We're running a bi-daily channel here, and then I think it would probably take over one of the videos from here. So I think that'd be okay. It wouldn't be as well as, but the brakes. Oh. Yeah, it's a quick fit. Right, so I did interrupt. I am very excited about the car, as you can probably tell, so it will work its way into most videos. Also, guys, if you've not entered the PS5, the PlayStation 5 giveaway, make sure you do. We're going to draw that. We're going to leave it a couple of weeks. It's doing exactly what we hoped it would do. It's picking up traction. People are talking about it again. We're getting people talking.
Yeah, I've had like people say like, "Oh, I've told my brother-in-law."
Yeah.
We got everybody at work.
And obviously, we're now at 11,000. Oh, 11,000?
Really?
I think.
It was like 10.9 last time.
Tell you what, I reckon. Oh, there's no internet here. That's a bit of an anticlimax.
Yeah, we do live.
Oh, 11,000 on the nose. Is it ever going to focus?
Hey.
There.
Yay! So excited.
11,000. So we've hit 11,000. So, and again, what we're trying to do on this channel is break down that fourth wall so that you guys know why we're doing these things. And so, again, some people will be saying, "Oh, why have you spent £500 on a PlayStation to give away?" It doesn't make sense, but it does make sense. No, there's not so much why not for that, but it does make sense because of the growth of the business, the channel. Yeah. So there we go. Guys, let us know. It's justified, absolutely justified. Guys, let us know what kind of podcast content you would like. Who would you like us to get on? Who do you think we should get on? Who would be? Foxy would be a good one, wouldn't he?
We need to re-enter him to reintroduce him to our.
We're going?
Our
soon. Funny, I'm hungover, I'm still thinking about that. Yeah, we need to introduce him, don't we?
Yeah.
And we've got some good travel stuff coming as well, very imminently. So I think I'm going to round up there just because it's been a slog today, guys, I'm not going to lie.
Tell him about his new Bodger.
Yeah, we should do, shouldn't we? We've got a secret lodger who's coming to live with us for a few months. Comment below who you think it is. You know him. I've given it away now, haven't I? But comment below. Anyway, apart from that, Laura, what have you got to say?
Like, subscribe, and don't forget to tell us whether you want us to do a podcast, number one, and number two, what topics we should discuss.
And if you don't want us to do a podcast, just don't tell us,
we
because
don't
we're
care.
probably going to do it anyway. So, apart from that, we'll see you all the day after tomorrow. Bye! Oh, thank God. Right, come on. I'm going to bed. Mackie D's?
No.
Greg's? Ooh, KFC.
No.
You're not at KFC anyway, do you?
Burger King's one.